In this video, you will learn how to create your own workflow in Unify. The workflow in the left-hand pane is the key piece of your software. It helps you to navigate through your data and to visualize the most important information for you. Although a Wotus representative can give you advice on how to create a workflow, this part of the software is a very unique tool, and you should fine-tune and personalize it depending on your project and the subject matter. Unify provides generic workflows which you can use as a good starting point. In this case, the workflow shows 3 different steps. The first step shows all identified components according to the identification criteria set in your processing method. The second step shows all targets which are included in your purpose list and which haven't been found or identified. The third step is showing so-called candidate masses. They represent all detected ions which don't match the purpose list in your analysis method. In this training video, we will add additional steps to your workflow. Let's first have a look at the workflow menu. You can open the menu by clicking on this icon. From here, you can either create a new workflow from scratch, open an existing workflow to use or to modify it, save the current workflow, or save it with a new name, import or export an existing workflow, add a step to your current workflow, save a step which you have modified, import a step from another workflow, and manage your steps or workflows, which offers you rearrangement, renaming, and deleting. Let's create an additional step now. Click on Add Step and enter a name for your new step. In the description section, you can add additional comments. Then click on OK. Now a copy of the previously selected workflow step will be created for you at the bottom of the workflow. This copy includes the selected views, the arrangement of the tables, and also filters applied to this step. My new SSM step should show only compounds which include the item tag SSM. This will give me an overview of the system suitability compounds mix. Therefore, I am applying a new filter to this step. If you are not familiar with the creation of new filters, please watch the learning video which covers this topic. Click on Filters and then on Select Filters. As you can see here, the Candidates filter applied to the Unknown Component slide was copied to your new workflow step. We are now changing the applied filter to the SSM filter. Use the drop-down list and select the filter. Then press OK. As you can see now, a new filter was applied and only compounds containing the item tag SSM are visible. Now you can adjust the views. Let's add the column with the item tags to our table. Right-click on the table header and select Add Column. Use the search field to find the column of interest. Select it and move it to your selected fields by using the arrow. Now the selected column appears in your table. Let's now select another view for the graphics included on this slide. Click on the drop-down menu and change the view from Spectra to Summary Plot to get an overview of the responses across all injections. As soon as you have set up all relevant views for your new workflow step, use the workflow menu to save the step. I'd like to demonstrate the available options by creating an additional step representing these results in a plot. I am adding a new step called SSM plot. Now I am expanding the table view and changing it from component summary to component plot. I'm also changing the x-axis from view by mass to view by retention time. As you can see now, I've got a picture showing only the SSM components based on their retention time. We will save this step. Now we'd like to rearrange our workflow steps to bring the new SSM steps to the top of your workflow. Choose Manage Steps from the Workflow panel. Select the steps you'd like to move and move them by using the arrows. You can also rename steps from here. Click OK. Your workflow was rearranged and updated. The last thing to do is to save your new workflow. Now we have successfully created a new workflow.